Hi, I'm Star White of StarWhiteReviews.com. If you haven't been here before, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell so that you don't miss any new videos. And we are looking at Christmas Commission Bundle, who is by Glynn Kosky, who is a super affiliate, and he is just doing the deal of the year. And this is Mr. Glynn Kosky, who is a super affiliate, and he is going to give you 15 of his best-selling digital products for only the price of one. Can you believe that? For the price of one. It's only $17 today, and you get all 15 of them just for the one low price. Introducing his collection right here. As you can see, it's quite extensive, and we're going to go look at what he's actually going to give you. And those are his proofs of all the money he's made with these apps, and he's going to let you do it. So we're going to get Commission Shortcut. We're going to get Digi Product Lab. We're going to get Commission Funnels. We're going to get Digi Funnel Lab. We're also going to get High Ticket Hijack. You're going to get Freebie Commissions. You're going to get Affiliate Sites Pro. You're going to get Commissions Replicator. You're going to get Recurring Profit Machine. You're going to get Giveaway Profits. You're going to get CB Profit Sites. You're going to get Tube Siphon. You're also going to get Magic Funnels. You're going to get big ticket commissions. You're going to get triple traffic bots, all for the price of one. Now, you can even get this after Christmas, but it's going to be a lot more expensive after Christmas than it is right now. It's only going to be $17 right now, and like I said, you're going to get all 15 of these. Plus, he's going to give you some bonuses. And I'm going to give you on my bonus page, because below this video, you just click the link and then you'll go to my bonus page and you will get all the extra bonuses I'm also going to give you. And I'm going to give you 30K case study, who is from Glynn Kosky, who made this program. You're going to get 0-hour workdays from another super affiliate, Brendan Mace, free. You're going to get bonus to Lazy Method, and that is from Brendan Mace. Basically, he starts that off with that. And you're going to get method to building 5-figure income, priceless training from a super affiliate. You're also going to get another bonus called the Awakening, which is training to make a lot of money online. You're also going to get 10K a month passive income, which shows you how to make $10,000 a month online. Plus, you're going to learn how to explode your commissions 10 times per month, and that's by Brenda Base for affiliate. And after you get your purchase, all your bonuses will be waiting for you in Warrior Plus. You just go to where it'll say access your purchase, and then right here you click this blue button, and all the bonuses will be waiting for you. My bonuses plus Glenn's bonuses. Now let's go over and look at the dashboard here. This is Christmas Commission Bundle. We're in the dashboard right now. And registration, this is really, really simple and easy to do, how he has set this up. You just select a site, one of the sites that you want to do. You click on it, and I'm not going to go through all these because there's a lot of them. You just put in your first name, your last name, your email, your confirmation email, your password, and your membership. And that's how you register, so that these are your programs and that you can make money with them. You also can upgrade if you want, and it also comes with free traffic. And I think that was about it. And he made everything really, really simple for you. And on the dashboard, Glynn is also here with a welcome video for you. And there is training in this system also. So he's made everything really super easy for you to get started, keywords and everything. Plus he gives you, you get access to 4 more of his programs just totally free, plus the ones you're already getting for $17. So I'm giving you all these bonuses. Don't forget that. And access is totally free. You don't have to pay for them. You just go ahead and click on the link and it'll bring you right up to get into the program. And like I said, those all be waiting for you in your bonus area. Plus you're going to get all these programs by Glynn, the 15 programs by Glynn that are only $17. I mean, this is just really such a great deal. And plus all the savings you're getting, you're probably getting over $2,000 worth in just bonuses from the both of us alone. So I would be grabbing this if whatever. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.